So here we are in beautiful Blue Heron Homes. These are custom homes in Las Vegas, top builder of custom homes. They're in Southern Highlands, 3 levels, about 1.9 million totally done with all the options you are going to choose probably, or you would like. And it's a brand new community. There are only 30 something properties here. So let's have a look. 3,500 square feet, absolutely beautiful. So here we are on the ground level.
So I'm going to give you this tour from the first level up to the third level. This is the outside area with the pool, the backyard with the spa, the pool, sitting out on your deck. And you can look back and see toward the inside of your house and the 3 levels. It's a nice outdoor sitting area as well next to the pool. And with the huge sliding glass doors open, you're straight into your living room. The built-in fireplace, of course the TV, and the dining area. Now you have to remember, these are Blue Heron custom built homes. These are very special homes in Las Vegas. There are several communities. They're absolutely beautiful. All the materials are special. The best materials, the best fittings. They're custom. If anything that is not perfectly fit, they'll redo it. They use the highest end appliances and materials, and that's why I focused on it in this video, to show you the sink, the stove area, the double oven, top of the line. And you'll see over here at the pantry, built-in cabinets, using great use of space, and the huge double door fridge built in, as you see. Actually, you don't even realize it's a fridge. And looking back outside, look at all the natural light here. And now we're going back up to the second floor on this hanging staircase, the beautiful staircase. This is one of the great features of the home, actually. It has an elevator and the staircase. This is the washer, dryer, laundry room. Notice it's all naturally lit, cabinets, space efficient. These homes they're all custom built. They can be from 2,600 square feet to 3,500, 3,600 square feet. Here they used one of the rooms as an office. They can have 2 to 4 bathrooms. And the prices are 1.3 to 1.9 million. Now we're looking at the master bedroom. Look how it's appointed with the marble on the side, and look at the glass between here and the bathroom area. Such a unique design and great use of natural light. Custom sinks, as you see, the double sinks, and of course custom shower. There's the handheld shower, then there's spray options here. And natural light again, coming from the outside. Looking back into the bathroom area, and then over to the closet. Wait till you see the closet. It's the walk-in closet. Look at that. Unbelievable use of the LED for every single drawer and cabinet and shelf. Looking back out at the bathroom, your bedroom, and of course there's a balcony here too on the second floor with a view. Now we're going to the third level. That's that hanging staircase, one of the more expensive options. That and the elevator are the 2 biggest expenses and options. And just to show you that there is an elevator right there. You don't have to get that. It's just, if you want to have an elevator. And look at this. This would be fantastic for entertaining. The top level of this rooftop area could be a bar, could serve small snacks and drinks. And wait till you see the outdoor veranda area. This could be a game room. All natural light, lots of windows. And they're custom built, so you can choose. They have different layouts, but you can choose how the rooms are configured. And so here we are in the rooftop, 3rd floor on top. Beautiful Las Vegas. You can sit out, have some drinks, and have a look at the beautiful scenery. There's a golf course. We're in Southern Highlands. It's a very well-known high-end area in southwest Las Vegas, close to the Strip, not far from the airport, but very quiet. So please call me. There are only about 6 units left and they're going fast. This is an unbelievable location. Thank you.